I don't want to be dramatic, but this might be one of the most important TikTok videos you ever see, or that I ever make for my nearly 600,000 social media followers. This is my original 2008 recession investing wish list. All the way back in 2008, when I was just 23 years old, I said, everyone's panicking about the stock market. Now seems like a great time to buy some stocks. Dow futures are down, S&P 500 futures are down, NASDAQ futures are down. Currently, these are futures. Tonight is Sunday. It is 8:02 p.m., April 6th. And this right here is the headline from Jim Cramer. He warns of a Black Monday-style market crash over Trump's tariffs rivaling the 1987 collapse. If you're not aware, the Dow Jones dropped over 22% in 1987. Now, I don't know if markets are going to drop 22% tomorrow, but all signs are pointing to mass panic. And as we all know, panic is a great time to invest. Well, what if this time is different? Shut up. That's what they say every time. Every time they say this time's different, and every time markets have recovered. What was on my 2008 wish list doesn't matter. It was over 20 years ago. You can see it here, and you can go right here and read the article on my wish list. But you should also go to my homepage. You won't have this draft here, so the pinned videos will all be 3 at the top. But one of these here says how to create a recession investing wish list. If you click on my playlists, you will find this recession investing playlist. Go watch it. By the time I post this video, it won't be any later than 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. That gives you a couple hours to start really buckling down, doing some research, and formulate your own recession investing wish list for 2025. Now look, markets could get a lot worse, or they could come out tomorrow and reverse course and say, okay, never mind, we won't do it, which I doubt, but anything is possible these days. The whole idea here is to slowly accumulate. So I bought some stock last week, and everyone's going, you should have waited until Monday. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Nobody knows when things will get better, what the bottom will be. So my whole strategy is buy a little. If markets get worse, I buy a little more. If markets get worse, I buy a little more. And I'm not rolling the dice. We're talking about high quality investments here, not penny stocks that you think could, maybe, might make you a millionaire. If you don't have a brokerage account, I use Charles Schwab. Anyone will do. Really, they're all basically the same. I mean, I might not use like Cash App to buy my stocks or whatever, but Fidelity, E-Trade, it doesn't matter. They're all basically fine. People have their preferences. I like this one better. It doesn't matter their preferences. I'm not trying to panic you guys into like rushing to open an account and buying some stock, but it really is important. We all know that most millionaires make the majority of their money in the markets when everyone else is panicking. And look, recessions are bad. Nobody is out here saying, I can't wait for, well, some people are out here saying it, but you shouldn't be rooting for a recession. People lose their jobs, their homes, their healthcare, their benefits, their investments, maybe their businesses. This is not something to poke fun at or celebrate. But at the same time, we have to be honest here and recognize that there is a real potential here to find some really high quality stocks at a severe discount. If you went to the grocery store and Doritos were on sale, 30% off, you wouldn't say, you'd grab a bag of Doritos. Shoes, 30% off, you'd grab a pair of shoes. So why not the same with high quality investments? Smash to follow. I might go live tomorrow at some point throughout the day if markets are in real turmoil to kind of put everyone's mind at ease, especially the younger investors who are panicking for absolutely no reason. Smash that follow, stay tuned, see you later.